Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go through Chrome dark mode for all websites. So you want to make all websites in dark mode. There are two steps to do that. One will create all the website into dark mode, switch all the website into dark mode without any extension, and the other one, the interface itself. So let's start with websites. Websites, you go to experiments, you write Chrome flags, and here you write dark. Select this, enable. You don't have to have any specific one. You click enable, and before we relaunch, because we also want the interface to be black, we go to settings, and settings you go through here, settings, and instead of device you switch to dark. So that's step 1 and that's step 2, and then we relaunch Chrome. And of course, after Chrome's relaunches, other tabs will remain open, but this is how it looks in dark mode. You go here again into flags. You'll have your flag over here. Change it back to default. Go back here to settings, appearance, device, reset, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great one.